Hello, my name is Kaylee Cole, and the purpose of the Kirby-Bauer Lab is to test my microbe against antibacterial drugs in order to measure their zones of inhibition to see whether they are susceptible or resistant to those drugs. So I'm going to start out by inoculating one of my agar plates using a cotton swab. And I'm going to do that using very tight zigzag motions all the way across. And then I'll turn it halfway and do the same thing. And then I'm going to do that 2 more times to make sure that I'll have used the same motion at least 4 times in order to make sure that the entire surface of the agar is inoculated. From there, I'll take my forceps and I will sterilize those by dipping them into alcohol and then flaming them using my candle. And then I think it said let it cool for, it was 15 to 20 seconds, I believe. And then I will start by taking my control disc. There will be 3 total, which, by the way, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correct, but one of them is bacitracin and then the other one is tetracycline. And then I will have a 3rd control disc. So I'll start out with that one. I'll place that in 1/3 of the agar because I have 3, so it'll be in a triangle formation. And then I will pat it down just to make sure it's level on top of the agar. And then I'll repeat that process for the bacitracin and the tetracycline discs. And then I will let that incubate. And then as soon as that is finished incubating, I'll take a ruler and I will measure the zones of inhibition. So based on the measurement of those zones of inhibition, I should be able to tell whether they are resistant or susceptible. So I have the chart right here for the bacitracin. If the zone of inhibition is equal to or less than 8 millimeters, then the microbe is resistant. If it is 9 to 12 millimeters, then the microbe is intermediately resistant / susceptible to the antibacterial drug. And if it is equal to or greater than 13 millimeters, then it is susceptible. And then kind of the same for tetracycline. If it's equal to or less than 14, then it is resistant. If it's 15 to 18, then it's intermediate. And if it is greater than or equal to 19, then it is susceptible. So that should tell me a little bit more about my microbe to help me identify. Yeah, thank you.